Hello, I am Aditya, the developer of VoiceTyper, and this is a tutorial on how to use VoiceTyper. When you will open it, you will see something like this which says login for existing users. So if you are new to our service, please go to register and register your email with us. And I will enter my password. So now it's saying you are registered, please log in. So I'll go to login and log in with the same Gmail ID and login. So now we have successfully registered and logged into our account. We can start doing voice typing. Here you can see the written instructions, and this is the status of voice typing. It's saying press hotkey. This is date time, this is version, and here you can contact us. So let's start voice typing. First, select the language one, which can be anything. You can choose from any one of these. It supports 150 plus languages, and select your language 2 also if you work in 2 languages at once. So usually I work with Hindi and English together. So once you have selected your first and second language, you can type in the first language by pressing Ctrl and Shift on your keyboard. To type in second language, please press Ctrl and Alt. You can minimize the app and work in the software of your choice. So it can be either Notepad, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, anything where you can type, it works there directly. So let's just minimize the app. By the way, just remember the hotkey Ctrl Shift and Ctrl Alt. So I'll minimize it, minimize this also. You can work without minimizing them also, but it's very uncomfortable. So I would just, for example, go to Excel, and to type in the first language you have to press Ctrl and Shift, right? My name is मतलब मेरा नाम आदित्य है. So here you can see it types just fine. I started to speak in English language first, but then I spoke in the Hindi language, but it's still fine, it's still correct. So let's type in the second language, which was selected as English. This time my name is actually Aditya. So here you can see this time my name is actually Aditya. It works just fine. So let me go walk you through the last hotkey, which is Ctrl 1. So sometimes what happens is that it just stucks doing listening. For example, if I just press Ctrl Shift, and if I'm actually saying something, it should be listening to me, but when I stopped talking, it should recognize and paste it to the word processing software of my choice. But sometimes it does not happen. Why? Because your microphone may not have noise cancellation. So thus I have invented this hotkey, which is Ctrl 1. When you will press it, your microphone will be muted for 1 or 2 seconds, and after that the app will work fine. So long story short, after you have done speaking, just press Ctrl and 1 and this will work fine. So if I press Ctrl 1, my microphone will be muted and it will shift to recognizing. So my microphone was muted and it is now recognizing. So let's say you are not working anywhere and you said something, or you may not say something, then what will happen? Where did the text go which you just watched that? So just press Ctrl and V and it will paste your last voice typing. So my last voice typing was this, so it is showing this. So this is all about VoiceTyper. If you have any queries, please mail us to stritech@gmail.com and we will solve it from there.